Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook profile private. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to menu option on the top right corner and just scroll down and click on setting and privacy. And in this section you just simply click on privacy shortcuts. And here you just simply select take a privacy checkup and then click on who can see what you share, and in this section you just simply click on continue, and here you see the option of friends and following who can see your friend list on your profile. So just select, and in this section you just click on only me or friends, so I'm selecting friends. And the other option who can see the people, pages and list you follow, so simply click on that and click on friends and or only me, it's up to you. Then click on next, and in this section you see the post, future post in stories, so you can simply select that and you can click on friends and go back, and in stories option you click on this and then simply click on friends and then click on next, and then simply click on next again, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.